Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your payment methods in Wix so you can fully activate your site's checkout system and start receiving funds from your customers in 2026. Let's get into it. First, navigate to the Getting Paid section. The first step is finding the financial heart of your Wix dashboard. In 2026, Wix has grouped all billing, invoices, and payment settings under one clear category. Go to your Wix homepage, the main dashboard. On the left sidebar, scroll down past your marketing and store tools until you see the section labeled Getting Paid. Hover over Getting Paid and click on Connect and Setup from the submenu that appears. This is the Accounting Hub. By going here, you are accessing the backend where your site communicates with global banks. In 2026, this section is your primary dashboard for tracking every dollar that enters your business, allowing you to manage everything from simple transactions to complex recurring subscriptions. Next, initiate the connection process. Now that you're in the payment dashboard, you need to trigger the setup wizard to link your digital store to a real-world bank or processor. Locate the large blue button at the top of the page that says Connect Payment Method. Click the button to open the list of available providers. This button acts as a gateway. In 2026, Wix uses an intelligent filter that automatically shows you the most popular payment methods available in your specific country. Clicking this ensures you are looking at verified, secure options that comply with your local financial regulations. Next, choose your preferred payment provider. Wix offers a variety of ways for your customers to pay you, ranging from instant digital wallets to traditional manual methods. Review the main list where you can choose PayPal or manual payment for cash or bank transfers. If you don't see your preferred method, click the small link that says See More Payment Options to view a full list of third-party processors like Zendit or HitPay. Choice is essential for conversion in 2026. Different customers prefer different ways to pay. By clicking See More, you can find specialized regional providers. For a tech-savvy audience, having PayPal is a must, but for high-ticket services, a manual payment option allows you to send an invoice and accept a wire transfer without high transaction fees. Once you select a provider and click Connect, several automated background processes are triggered to link your website to the financial world. And that's pretty much it. To connect your payments in 2026, head to your homepage, scroll to Getting Paid, and click Connect and Setup. Hit the blue Connect button, choose between PayPal, manual, or other options, and follow the prompts. Connecting a method creates a secure bridge to your bank, activates your checkout buttons, and ensures your payouts are routed correctly so you can get paid for your hard work. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.